The Pi-1 is built to go anywhere, but just like any grill, it needs the right setup to run safe. Always use your Pi-1 on a flat, stable surface that won't catch fire, like metal, stone, or concrete. Never set it on plastic or anything flammable. High heat can melt or ignite unsafe surfaces. Never open the flame diffuser with the lid closed. Running the grill with the diffuser open and the lid closed traps heat, and too much heat has nowhere to go but down. When priming your Pi-1, you only need enough pellets to pass through the auger. Once you hear the pellets dropping in the burn pot, you can let go of the control knob. Never overfill the burn pot, and always use the proper shutdown mode to burn off leftover pellets safely. Just like tossing too much wood on a campfire, extra pellets can fuel a bigger flame than intended. If the fire gets too high or the temp exceeds 550, close the lid, remove the batteries, and unplug the grill immediately. This cuts out oxygen, stops the fan, and halts the pellet feed. Never use water to fight a grease fire. Use baking soda if necessary. If the fire is uncontrolled or spreading, call emergency services right away. To prevent fire hazards and for proper ignition, it is always recommended to ensure that the burn pot is free of all ash and debris before each use. Wherever you cook, grill smart, grill safe.